Do you need an action log to help you manage all the tasks and activities going on in your project? Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to do one in Excel. Hi, I'm Stuart Taylor from Influential PMO. Okay, it's time to get all of that project stuff out of your head and into an action log. This is going to help to free up your mind, your creativity, and also, if you get hit by a bus, someone else will be able to come along and pick up where you left off. Small consolation, eh? Okay, there's a basic action log that you can use for various meetings, steercos, working groups, or even just for keeping a track of your own actions. If it's for your team or for the visibility of other stakeholders, make sure that you store it in a collaborative space somewhere and everybody has access to it. I see that I've got an action there to create a decision log. Well, I'll get on with that and hopefully you'll see it on the channel soon. You take care. Bye.